Hello, my name is Maria Ezcurra. I am an artist living in Montreal, and I'm going to talk today about 𝙏𝙚𝙣𝙨. 𝙏𝙚 is a piece I created specifically for La Centrale. It was exhibited in the gallery on September of 2019. As you can see, 𝙏𝙚 is a piece that I created using red pantyhose. There were two tones of red. It's very subtle, but you have a darker red and then a more vivid, brilliant, bright red. For making the piece, I attached several pantyhose together, creating like a long line. One of the extremes of the line was ending in the window and it was open. So people was able to look through the window and see all the way through the piece until the other side of the gallery. The piece was attached to the ceiling using metal wires, and it was attached to the floor through like big heavy rocks that I have been collecting in the city for several months. The concept behind 𝙏𝙚, it was that the piece was an invitation to physically and conceptually connect the body to the space that it occupies, or to the space that is not able to occupy, the space like the gallery, but also public spaces or the city, any space. The visitors were able to walk around or under the piece. They were able to interact with it, to feel the tension of the fabric that was embodying somehow also the dense social formations and cultural relations involved in the construction of identity, social identity, cultural identity, personal identity, always in relation to place. How place shapes, or how role do place play in shaping our identities. The piece interweaves but also points at constricted and delicate connections that exist between the interior and the exterior, and body and place. To create the piece, I first have to make a maquette because my studio is not that big. So I create this maquette and then I put together different parts or models of the piece in my studio, but I actually finished the piece. I assembled it in the gallery during the installation, so it was like a bit of a surprise factor for me, even though a lot of planning, it was like a lot of engineering involved in the process, and I really liked when I was able to finish it and extend it and see how well it was communicating with the space. Which, of course, because I created the piece specifically for La Centrale.